In this case, I'm gonna show you how to replace the battery of a Shimano Dura DI2 shifter. So everybody knows that we have to charge the system from here, right? There's a little plastic port and the charging port is right there. But because Shimano is also wireless, we're gonna lift this little rubber cover here, and right here is a Philip that we are gonna remove it. So hard to do it with one hand. Okay, so that one is loose. Here we go. We're going to open it, and that's the little battery right there. 1632 is the battery. So once that one is replaced, we're gonna put it back. And then we just put this cover back. That's it. Super simple.